It's been a physically draining couple of days for Elise and Matt in House 4. By my calculations, Matt has hauled more loads of demo down that scaffold than anyone else on the block. And as a result, they have pulled back some lost time on their master bedroom build. Their plan is to create a bedroom with a generous walk-in robe with skylight, but retain the traditional feel of the building in the bedroom with a large ornate ceiling rose, feature chandelier and original fireplace. But as is so often the case, the block gods are not happy. And by block gods, I mean Keith. And Keith has been across the block on a fire hazard blitz.
So I've come down here and I've pulled the downlights down. Look, insulation just right there. That's just not on. All the way around, look at all that. And I've reached around and we have got insulation touching the downlights. That's how we have fires, which you're supposed to leave a void around your downlights of 200 mil to prevent fire. And then I've also reached around in the ceiling spaces and I'm just getting debris and timber and...
We'd cleaned it, vacuumed it the night before, so when we laid them, it was all clean in there.
I cannot see what's above this ceiling and I cannot see what's under your floor.
Keith can't see because the room directly above them is the new master bedroom, where they have just laid the subflooring, preventing any access to the downlight cavity. And if Keith can't eyeball it, he can't sign off on it.
I need to inspect this area. Something has to come up.
Matt now has to pull up all the floor he laid this morning, remove and clean all his insulation, then vacuum any debris from around the downlights. Matt is convinced he cleaned this area yesterday, so pulling up the floorboards is a complete waste of
time, which I didn't have.
It's all good. We just learn from this and we move to the next. It's going to be the same.
The problem is, I know that it's clear because I vacuumed it yesterday. So when I pull it up, I'm going to have to pull it up and see that it's clear and that's fine.
That's fine, love. If that's
Yeah, it's not. It's pain in the arse.
Make a bet with him then.
Coronas.
It's clear what?
Coronas after the end of the day.
Coronas.
It's not the point, mate.
Despite Matt's mood, Elise is carrying on with her morning attitude of...
I'm excited to be here. Bugger it.
as she tries to inject some fun into a frustrating situation.
So, Keithy, Matty boy reckons that he's cleaned around those areas. So he wants to do a bet with you.
But Matt's not that into it.
Stop around.
Very loving in here, isn't it?
Go shopping so I can just do my job and you do yours.
Oh, gee, did I hear that?
Yes, Keith, you did. And so did we. Plus, the bet is on. Is House 4 as clean as Matt says?
That doesn't look real clean to me, boys.
Keith won, Matt none. So while the downlights fire hazard has been snuffed out, Matt and Elise are engulfed in flames.
You're making a mountain out of a molehill.
No, I'm not. We don't have enough sheets now. We're pulling up sheets. Now we have 10 hours behind now.
Breathe.
No, that's crap,
I need
mate.
to talk to you. Can you stop walking away from me, please? Come back.
Don't give me a lecture.
I'm not giving you a lecture. Don't speak to me like that.
Don't give me a lecture
do not
when you have
speak
no
to me-
idea
do
what's
not
going on in
speak to me
here.
like that. I don't deserve it.
What do you want?
And you might be grumpy.
I don't care.
I
What do
have
you
to-
want?
That's it. You're done.
Thank you. Where's that vacuum? Where's the vacuum? We've got to clear this out.